What's up, traders? My name is John, and in this video I'm going to take you through my entire day trading the Nasdaq. I'm trying to pass some prop firm evaluations, and I'm going to give away a $50,000 take profit trader eval account. All you have to do is guess how much money I made yesterday. This is the future me, and I'm going to pop that number somewhere in the video. I have no idea where yet, but I'm going to pop that number up. If you watch the whole video, you'll probably find it. Comment that number down below. I hope you enjoy the journey. I'm just going through my entire day as a day trader. I'm literally just trading. You're going to see my trades. You're going to see everything. My strategy, what I do. I did pretty well. Yesterday, I did around $7,000. Today, I'm still just as good. So find out that number, comment below, get that free eval account. And sometime next week, I'm going to pick a winner. We're going to do a random drawing. It's just like a randomizer thing. So we'll just pick a winner. So comment that number below what you think I made, and maybe you'll win. All right, market is open. Let's be a little patient. Yeah, let's be a little patient. Moving a little bit too fast for me. You could go in short, make 1,000, and then boom, right back up, negative 2,000, quick. So just be patient, wait for the market to do its thing, and take your scalps. She's struggling to move up though, so let's see how it goes. I might take a sell at the top of this candle if it goes.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Quick snipe if I can get it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
100. Gotta be in and out when it's moving like this. I think she's gonna go down further, but we'll see. It could go against you so quick, especially at market open like this. Trade in 1926 now, this one. She's trying to go all the way back up.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
$500 on this one. I read that Trump shared some new tariffs that are supposed to go in effect next week, so that might be why we sell off today. So we'll see how it goes. Be patient, wait for the move. Needs to slow down just a tad, or have clear directions both ways.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
200-ish. Lost a little bit to market fees. 1926. Trade 08 and see what happened there. So far, we're at 100% win. All right, she is tanking. Let her retrace a little bit, maybe get back in. It's hard to say. It's one thing I can guarantee, the market will retrace, it will repeat itself. You just have to be patient and get in smart moves. It could go all the way back up at this point. Who knows? Just be smart, wait patient. If it retests that wick, I'm going short. I need a little bit more pullback than that though. I'm in.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Yeah, I could close out at any point here.
Order filled.
Order filled.
It hit 500 at one point, and then it closed at 200. It's one thing I don't like about the market open. It opens so fast. Let's get
Order
into here.
filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
It
filled.
was 250 and then it changed to 50 as I closed. So you got to be quick. She's going down. She's losing momentum to the up though. So new candle printed. Let's see. Let's see. I make all my money on wick testing. It's gonna retest the wick. I needed it to dart down, test back, dart down again. For some reason, I'm margin called on my personal account with TradeStation. I've been trading all morning with it. I'm up quite a few points. Like right now. Let's see how this goes. Let it dart back down and then test it again and sell. Yeah, we could have got in already. Need it to come up just a tad. Just a little. Come on. Doesn't even have to turn green for me at this point. Though I would like for it to. I was about to go in. Man.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
225. When it starts going a little sideways, you got to be careful. You don't want to get caught going back up. Though it may not. Let it retest this high here. I'm gonna try it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
See what we can get out of her.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
50. I'm almost at the end of this count's life here. I gotta keep it below 50%. Switch to another one. I'm gonna go ahead and switch. Let's see. 3874. Let's get this one up to the max that I can trade for the day. These are evals. I have one past eval right here. 3874. We're at 83% win on this one. On the 1926, which is this one. These candle bodies aren't big, wicks on both sides, so I try to stay neutral at this point, see some new levels and retests. I'm almost willing to get short here, but I don't want to get too ahead of myself. I have to make sure we have to have confirmation. If it can go down and retest again, it can go down again. See what I mean? It's printing a green candle going up. It could just be a quick retrace and back down again. We go, but you don't want to get to where you're gambling. I know for a fact the market's going to repeat itself. Sometimes it's going to go up, down again, and happens fast. So you're going to lose. That's why it's important to have a risk management system. I have a stop in place. I don't like my stop too tight. I can trail it down as I need. I like it large in the beginning and then kind of tighten it up as see what's going on in the market. It's kind of chilly in here. Ooh. I don't know what we're doing at this point. I'm waiting to see. See, we went up. Might come back down. I know that's kind of a 50-50 answer, but you know, we gotta wait and see. I want to see what this market wants to give us. Let's see it. Let's say it hits this top of the candle, comes back down, goes back up again. I'm willing to get in short and let it retest. Or comes down, goes back up, comes down. I'm willing to go long. You can play it either way. I prefer short when the market's going down and long when the market's going up. And we're still in a downtrend at the moment, so got to be careful and trade short. See, at this point, if it tests this wick again, I'm selling off, taking a short position. I need it to go a little higher.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That was a bad
Order
move.
can't. Order filled.
Order filled.
Can't believe I did that. I got in too late. I didn't realize we were changing wick, or changing the candle. It's okay, I can make it back. See how long this candle lasts here. I wish the time was beside the candle. It helped me out so much. But that's a good example of how quickly the market can move against you. And it didn't take long for that to happen, so. I'm going to take a short position at the top of this body. Now,
Order filled.
Order filled.
don't do it to me. And it may very well go up, but we'll see. We're at 7.
Order filled.
Order filled.
See how it hit 7, then 400? Not all of your trades are going to be good. You just got to take care of the risk. Make sure you have good risk. That's all that matters. risk. And you don't want to stay in too long. You got to kind of guess the momentum as it's going down. Is it going to go down more? If it's really pushing down hard and you're in a short position, stay in for just a little longer. Use your own good judgment. It takes a little time, practice, trading, paper trading, learning the market to really get a feel for what it's going to do. And I'm not perfect by no means. Let's see if we can get a candle body retracement here and take it down again. Moved a little fast for me. See, it could be in an uptrend now, but we'll see. Give it a little time. Just be a little patient. Man, the market gets my blood pumping still after 8 years. You do have to take risk, though. There's no way around it. It's part of it. Look at that big green candle. Let's buy the retracement.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Nice. Quick move. That's all it takes. See how it's dancing down and back up, back up, back up, back up. I could have taken a buy there, according to my strategy. I like to be a little more patient and reserved. And as you can see with my numbers, it's a good idea to be.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Don't do it to me. I don't want this candle to close red, so I'm going to put my stop at the bottom of the candle. Let her keep ripping. Go ahead. Could have got out. Should have got out.
Order filled.
Order filled.
250 on that trade. Let's see if it retraces again. Pretty significant retracement too. It was too much for me. I need to go down again. We're still in a downtrend until we break this. So buy orders are kind of like a no-go for me at the moment. This candle's about to close and it's a long wick, so we're probably about to sell. Let it turn green again a little bit. Let's go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
50 on that trade. Now we brought the account back from negative $1,200, so, or whatever it was. I'm not sure exactly, but all right, now we're back where I want to be. Selling off. These wicks tell a story. It means the market tried to get up there, but it didn't happen. Bulls and bears, tug of war. Let's test that top candle again. Come on, do it again. A minute left in this candle. I want it to retest green, and then I'll get in short. Or somewhere close to it. I should have got in just now, but it's all right. We want to wait for our own confirmations. Don't just get in because you're fearing you're going to miss out. FOMO is real in the market. I'm gonna
Order
sell
filled.
Order filled.
Should have waited just a little bit for more of a retest, but that's an example of FOMO. Fear of missing out. It might go against me. I don't want it to go any more than that if it does. Make sure you control your risk. You're willing to lose whatever.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
I lost, wow, quite a bit, but I am trading 5 contracts, so it's a little hefty. We'll get it back. $1,300, I think, on that last trade. Which account are we in? 3874. Yeah, $1,300 on that loss. See, now we broke past this. We're now in an uptrend. And that's a big candle. So I'm willing to buy it after it closes. Jeez, that was a big loss. No biggie. Doesn't look like she wants to stay up too high. But I'm not willing to sell it. Now it's going. 30 seconds left in this candle, and that's a big candle. It's almost as tall as this one. We don't want to lose any money. Stay out of the market. It's inevitable. You're going to lose. It's part of it. Five seconds left-ish. Are we selling off? At the bottom of this candle, this wick, you could probably buy and get away with a good scalp. And she did. Oh man. Down 1,200, back up, down 1,300 again on this account. What the heck? Still moving just a little too slow for me. Let's see what she's gonna do. Let her make up her mind. Which way you going? Nasdaq. Are we selling off now? Jeez. Down, up, back down. What is it? I think this is just a little retracement, to be honest with you. Let's buy at the bottom of this candle if it gets it. She's gonna want to go higher. The The bulls are going to want it to close higher. That was an indecision candle, kind of tug of war. If I'm gonna go short, I want it to test this wick again. Some of it anyway. I don't want to get caught in a move up. Rather get caught at the top of the wick. And I buy about right now, but it's moving not enough for me. Being that it's taking forever to go up, I'm in sell mode when it hits the top of that wick. Unless something just changes and it goes up so fast. I'm about to take a short as soon as it retests. Come on, baby. I gotta get my account back. Up. Which direction? We got 4 seconds left of this candle. Ooh. Do we have news coming out at all today? Let's see. Natural gas, 10:30, New York time.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Take about $500 back. Test it again.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's get another 500 back if we can. I'm gonna leave my stop where it's at. She's struggling. I'm gonna move it down just a tad. Come on, come on. Just because it's struggling doesn't mean it's not gonna go back up. It's tug of war in the market.
Order filled.
Order filled.
275 on that trade. That was a very risky. But I'm in risky mode. We're at 70% on our trade, 75% on our win rate, 25% losers. I'm about to sell it again. She's trying. Let's go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Another
Order
$500
filled.
Order filled.
Maybe. Yeah. Not sure what that was, but I think it was about $500. All right, market's trying to decide which way it's going to go. That's why these candles are sideways. It don't know which way it wants to go. There's orders here to go down. There's orders here to go up. So we got to figure out which way she's going. No one knows. And if they tell you they know, they're full of it. I was about to take a short there. All right, what we doing, market? Short.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Don't go against me. Should have waited just a little bit longer, but that's okay. I'm gonna tighten my stop on this to the top of this wick.
Order
300
filled.
Order filled.
on that trade. If it retests again, I'm gonna take it again. I should have went in. Go, go, go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
475 on that trade. I love it when it goes sideways like this. I think we're gonna go back down. We got wicks all around here, and it's usually an indication of an exhausted market. So we're gonna go down and sell off a little bit, I'm sure, but I could be wrong. Let's see what this candle does. Looks like a little bull flag to me, but it's definitely a struggling bull flag. I need another $800, 8 to 1,000 to close off on this account for the day. I'm trying to pass these evals, and you can't get 3,000 in 2 days because you're above the 50%. You can get right at 1,500 and right at 1,500, I'm sure, but I don't want to risk that. And then tomorrow I'll finalize them and then just trade micros to keep them in the good, and then I'll have 5 take profit trader accounts funded. I have 1 funded currently. It's 53,160. I traded some micros this morning for today's trades. Man, we're still struggling to go up with the bull flag. Too scared. And my camera went out, so we're good now. Alright. One of my accounts I need about $600. I'm at 52,430. I don't want to chance it too much. I don't want to go above. Then I'll have to lose trades, and losing trades is kind of harder than you think. What did I miss? Alright, market, where are we going? I'd like to hurry up and get these done so I can go be with my family. Just found out we're having a baby. In a couple of weeks we'll find out if it's a boy or a girl. Let me give a little reference to something here. So when a candle is moving down, you don't want to go short because, yeah, you can trade momentum, and I do sometimes, but you want to come back for a retest. You don't want to just get in unless it's moving significant. You don't want to do that. Like right now, I'm willing to buy because it's going to retest. It's going to retrace. You could probably sell at this point right here and let it retest the wick, but it's not moving enough for me. I need a little bit more movement than what I'm getting. See, we could have bought that. Sometimes if I just take my own advice. But I'm a patient trader. I don't like to risk too much. I like to see clear, decisive moves from the market. And that's what I want. If I don't get that, I'm not in it. So we broke this line here. I'm bearish at this point. I'll get a little bit of a retrace and I'll take a sell order. I kind of want this candle to close first though. See, it's moving a little bit like I want it. Was. How long is this video so far? An hour? Unless it breaks this, we're still in an uptrend. I want to see it break it and close below it, and we didn't, so we could have bought that whole candle and made a significant amount of money there. And now I'm unsure, so we'll see. We're still moving back down. I don't know where we're going, but we'll figure it out. Hopefully watching me trade will help you to learn. And that's why I'm making this video. Strictly to help you learn. I put these lines to show visuals where we are and where we want it to keep going. And if it's going to keep going that way, we want it to keep going. I'm not a trend line trader or anything like that. This helps to give you a good visual of where the market's going. And right now we're going back up, so we'll wait for this candle to close. We've got about a minute on it, so we're retesting these highs here again, so put a line here for you. We can get rid of this one. We've been trading in a range for quite some time. Then we started going down. Had an upside down cut move. Are we gonna make new highs? Let's go. I could copy trade. I have it set up here, but I'm in eval mode. I don't copy trade much. I do some. If I see a setup that I know I'm gonna make a profit with, I will turn the copy trader on and I will make my move and call it a day. Or trade one account at a time after that. Copy trading is cool. I really like it, but it's risky. Risky business. With my strategy though, you don't really have to copy trade. All you have to do is trade one account at a time. One account at a time. Make your money. You don't want the beginning market moves unless you want to, take a bigger risk, which is fine. I do sometimes, and I did today, and it did work out for me, then it didn't. So I'm trading, bringing my account back up from a bad trade using my method that actually works. So if you're trading the market open initially, then you're just gambling. So, all right, we rejected this high, which is what I wanted to see for a downward move. I needed to retrace a little bit, and then I'm going to get in on a short. It's probably not going to retrace, though. We might go sideways again like this for a minute. This is where I want the market to be. Best scenario for my method. Come on, back up. I don't want to be at the bottom of a move. New candle. Give me some retrace. Retest. If this comes up to here, I'm selling. And I might sell early, but we'll see how it goes. I need to see movement in the market. A lot of people put limit orders in, like let's say for example I could put a limit order here and walk away for a minute. What if it just shoots up real fast? That indicates to me that it's going up further, so I don't want to put a limit order there and stop out. I want it to take its time. I want it to move slower. And when you see patterns like this too, you gotta be careful because this is a bull flag. It indicates that the market's going higher. So we should have got in and sold, but I was just getting back from a restroom break. All right, I had to take a little bit of a break. Here we are back at it. Let's see what we can get. I need to get this account above $1,000. We're at 51.74. I need to be just under 3,000, 53,000. Market's moving just a little bit slow. She's trying to trap some people here. It's That's why it's important to be patient. Patient. We need clear direction. We need a little bit faster movement. Momentum has literally dropped to nothing. I'd rather live to trade another day than get in bad trades. We can get rid of this and adjust this. That's where we are. We're trading in this range at the moment. It's just sideways movement. That's all it is. You don't want to be in the chop. Well, you want to be in the chop, but more clear, defined movement, honestly. I mean, we could have took a buy here, and then a sell here, and then a buy here. But we don't trade when it's not moving like we want. So. I'd like to see it break below this or above this. Again, and then start scalping. Nice movement up. Don't get FOMO now, because it could just come right back down. And you could say that can happen with any trade, and it can, but we want clear movement. We want back down, retest, but we want it to be a little faster. The window of opportunity may close for the day. Who knows? Just gotta sit around and wait. I might take a short at the top of this. It's a risky trade. All trades are risky. I'm hoping this video is spelling out exactly how I trade. So guess they didn't want to talk. All right, where we going, market? Come on, come on. Volume is trailing down. I'm seeing the volume indicator over here. There we go. Come on. Let's move. Struggling to go higher. I like what I see. Almost comfortable taking a short now, but I'm gonna wait just a little bit longer. I might miss a move, but I don't care. I'd rather live to trade another day. These days, these accounts have several days left on them, so I'm not in too big of a hurry. If it goes up again, I'm taking a short. I'm in.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Tighten my stop loss to this line here. Might lose this trade.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Now we're back to negative, but that's okay. We have clear direction. Market now. Nice.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Is that a bad move or what? I don't think so quite yet, but
Order filled.
225. See what being patient gets you. Should have been patient. We might sell off here. Let's see. Retest to the downside. She's holding up. It's gonna go higher. Yep. Could have got in, but being patient and living the trade another day is my main concern. I don't care if this account takes a red day. It's still above my buffer. Another rule that I have, and when it creates new highs, I wait patient. I know you hear it a lot from me, be patient. I need to see some movement sideways. This could just come selling straight off. This could have just been several moves. Institutions buying to make it go long. What it does do though is it makes the market move a little more volume when stuff like that happens. So see how it's dancing around a lot more? We like that. There's a fine line between too much and not enough though. We're at the line. It's starting to slow down just a tad. I don't like that. Another bull flag printing. This candle has a minute and a half left. Let's see what she does. I think it's gonna go higher. Wait for a retest. Wait for a retest. Could have got long here, short there. FOMO is real. But I'd rather not fear of missing trades. Switch to the 15-minute chart for a minute. We're nearing the high, 2140. Key level right here, guys. 148 to be honest, but if it breaks past this, we're definitely going higher. I say definitely, but I'm not 100% sure. Half day yesterday, half day last, that's the half day today. That was the Tokyo market, Asian market. That's the key level. Why is it doing that? Jeez. Very sensitive mouse. Struggling.
Order filled.
Order filled.
See if I can get a. That is not good. Got it at the top of the candle. It's gonna go lower. Come on, baby.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right. We could probably buy right now. Retest that high. I don't know why, but I'm not a buyer. I'm a shorter. Just 9 times out of 10, if I'm buying the market, I'm losing. So I'm always a little hesitant, but if we come down again, I'm gonna buy it.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Tighten my stop loss to here. I don't want to lose too much, but I want to make quite a bit.
Order filled.
Order filled.
325. Back in the green, $90 on this account. We're at 78% win ratio. 3874, yep, 78%. Because we took that loss. Let's lower this a little bit. Camera's not working. I'll lower this just a little bit more. Shrink my face down a tad. This out a little bit. Yeah, we're going up, guys. The 15-minute chart looks insane right now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't want to go below that candle. $600 loss if it does. Keep going.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
75 on that trade. Nice. Back in the green, 665. That's crazy. Gross realized and realized. Usually that number is not double the realized. All these trades that I'm making. All right, that's a good sign. We got 30 seconds left of this candle. This wick is long. We're gonna sell. It's at least gonna go down a few ticks so we can capture some of that profit. And it could not, so it's not always guaranteed, but yeah, should have got in up there because it was kind of struggling to make new highs again, but it could do it again, so just be patient. We want to retest for sure. Yeah, we're gonna retrace a little bit to the red probably on this candle. So if it goes up to the, I lost the move. But that's okay. We're in the green. That's all we want. Sometimes I do take some risky moves, but the rewards are so plentiful with it that I'm okay with it. And I'm about to short now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
I don't want it to go above that candle.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Captured a nice little $400 move. Market's getting exhausted. So is my belly. 75% win rate. Love it. Retest. Let's go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
$400. I'm gonna switch over to my other account. That one is 4382. Let's get this sucker built up. 1, 2, 3, almost 4,000 for the day. She's wanting to go down.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Stop this here. I don't want to lose much if I do lose. I think it's going to be a pretty significant drop, and it was.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Nice. We're gonna get it again. Let's see. Could have taken $800 profit on that one. I think I'm gonna take another short. I'm gonna wait. It's not moving fast enough for me. We're at half day though. Even though I called that, still didn't take it. It's okay though. Another $15,000 or so on this. Are we struggling to go back up? Are we? Means we can short.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Got a little too late. A little too late. That's okay. I might get
Stop
stopped out.
filled.
Stop filled.
She's struggling to get up there. Let's see what she does. Doesn't mean she won't. And she's going. Boom. Could retrace all the way back down though. Still got 16 seconds left. Candle.
Order filled.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
It's okay. It's okay. Making new highs now. I'll catch it on the flip side, don't worry. Got until 4 o'clock to get it done. Guessing the top is not a good idea, ever. See what she's gonna do. Don't want to be at the bottom of any move. Any retracement. Oh wow. Bears are back in town. Five seconds left of this candle. Let's see.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Stop. Give it a little room. Where are we going? Let's go. I'm gonna give it just a little bit more room. Probably a bad idea, but I think we're going down. She's trying to. Come on, baby.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
We are down heavy on this account. Gunshot. Should have bought. Where are we going now? New house.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Blew this account. Can you believe it? We'll go back to this one, 5318. It's not impossible to blow accounts. In fact, it's very likely. Not trading the way I'm supposed to. Still up 1, 2, 3, a little more 3 grand. Got a new take profit trader account. Alright, so we got a new eval account with Take Profit Trader. Unfortunately, I blew that account, but I'm not going to keep it from you. This is the reality we trade in, so it's not a guarantee that we're going to make money. It's not a guarantee that we're going to pass our evaluations, and I just traded that last account a little too aggressive. but the other ones, you know, I got them where they wanted. So I was trying to get it to where I wanted it to be a lot quicker. I kind of want to end my day and go home and hang out with my family. So, but that didn't work out. So we're gonna trade this new account here and get it up to par. See if we can do that.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Have a lot more room. Have a lot more room on this one, so we're gonna let it run.
Order filled.
Order filled.
50, 550 on that trade.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Keep my stop loss where it's at for now.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
What's up? I don't know. I'll do it right now though. Yeah. I'll lose it. What's that company called? What's that company called?
Order filled.
Order filled.
It'll be on the machine. Can you send me a text with it? You can't. You have to buy the whole thing. They already told me that last time. Yeah, it does suck. Keep on ripping.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
If I would have let my winners run a little further, would have been good there.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Hit a big move. Did I? Yeah. Alright, I'll do it right now. All right. Yeah, he said he was gonna call you. All right. All right. Sweet. Yeah.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Hey, y'all did Jack, Angelo, right?
Yeah, the big one.
Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Bye.
Bye.
All right, what we got going on here? Now we have wicks at the bottom we gotta pay attention to. She looks like she wants to go up a little more. Touching that line. Hello, this is John. Hey, brother. Yes, sir. All right, brother. Yes, sir. See ya.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Take a little buy order real quick and see what we can get. I'm not gonna take a big move. I just wanna should have closed it there, honestly. All right. It's going against me.
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
Jeez. Could probably buy now. 9 times out of 10, my buys are no bueno. It's gonna go in my favor eventually. That's the way it works. Yeah, see? Stop was a little too tight. But we got another wick, which is good for our trades. Our trades are based off wicks. Not really, but based off the market. I like to see wicks for direction. I'm waiting for a little retracement here, and then I'll click the buy button. Kind of trending down, so gotta be careful. Might sell here. It's not moving enough for me though. I don't like it when it gets too choppy. Small candles, literally small. Big ones are good. We're gonna retest this line again. Let's see. See what my fan bam's up to. Struggling to go up, so probably gonna go short. There she goes. Should've got it in. Hit it one more time. Let's go.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Don't do it to me. Don't do it to me. It's funny how it struggles to go up, and then I take my position and it goes against my position. It just knows that I'm in the market. That's the way it can seem, but it's not true. It's definitely not true. That's why you gotta be patient. It's struggling to go down, so I'm probably gonna get out here in a moment. I'd rather close my trade and bring my stop loss down here, see what we get. While moving my stop loss, I could have closed out in profit.
Order
Order
filled.
A
filled.
little 125 on that trade that we shouldn't have even made. Sometimes you get lucky. Sometimes you get lucky. But not all the time. Definitely not all the time. Gotta be careful. That was a bad trade. I mean, it was a good trade. I mean, it was struggling to go up. That's what one of my confluences. I like to make sure, the market's moving the direction I want it to go. And I sell or buy based on that information. And that was one of my triggers. So we're at essentially break even on this account. So 693, I believe that's what we're trading. Yeah, 693. Yep. So we're not hurting. We're good. At least we get one day traded. I'll live to trade another day at least. Wish I would have stayed in, man. Ooh. Never know though. Never know. You don't want to go green a significant amount and then go red, because man, that'll kill your drawdown.
Connection lost.
Uh-oh, what happened? Connection lost. Where? Yeah, so if I traded right now and it goes up into profit and then back down, that's trailing drawdown. So we don't want to lose our drawdown. With Take Profit Trader, I think it's end of day drawdown. Yeah, end of day, so it wouldn't really hurt today. But other places like Tradeify, man, I can't pass the Tradeify evaluation. Sometimes I'm too risky. I can pass them, and I have passed them, but I'm too risky on them because they're so cheap. Apex, cheap. I'm YOLOing very often. All right, we might take a buy order here. I'm not sure. I want to see what this candle's doing here. We're trending down, so slightly. So I'm not too keen on a buy right now. So I'm just gonna stick to my guns and stick to my gut and just wait. We're hitting that line and we're breaking the line, so I'm glad I didn't go long. That's why you gotta stick to your method of trading. Stick to it. Don't go against it, because right now I would have stopped out. I could probably buy now and be safe, but the point is, man, could have lost a lot of money. No, we weren't safe buying then either, so let's let it go up and then retest. Oh man, I should have got in. Come on, baby. This is how I like the candles moving right here. Nice, clear, concise movements. Give it a little reach. Every time. Gotta be fast. The 15-minute chart is looking really bearish. So I almost got in again. I don't want to be at the bottom though. I look for retracement. Probably buy right here and make a little profit. Yeah. Candle closes in 30 seconds. It's not moving enough yet. It was, but it's not. We're late on the move. Each candle has an opportunity. Literally, 50-50. Each candle. Each 2-minute candle. You can't see that anymore. See, we could have been selling and getting it in the good, but again, you want to wait. You don't want to risk too much. I'm down 175 currently, and I need a good trade. We're gonna get one eventually. She might bounce doing 180 here. With proper risk management and waiting for your setups, you're sure to do very good. This is not financial advice, though. Nothing in this video is financial advice. I'm going to hit it again. Let's see. No, let's
Order
go.
filled.
Order filled.
Let's go to the downside.
Order filled.
Order filled.
500 on that trade. Wow. All right, see if we can get it again. I might take it. Let's see. Might be a little late. I'm scared. Should have took it. It's definitely too late now. We gotta wait for this candle to close. FOMO is real right now. Look at that. It's a 2-hour video. Sometimes I like to YOLO, but I'm not going to do that here because I really want 5 accounts at Take Profit Trader live. Edit this out. She's struggling to go down further. Yeah, that 15-minute chart looks super bearish. We're bouncing off a support line here. Let's see. 20,093, 20,100. Yeah, 20,090. It's a support. For you support and resistance, people. I do believe it's going to go down more, but I'm going to wait for a little bit more surefire information from the market. Let me show you the 15-minute. Super bearish. I was gonna get in on the high of this candle. but I was busy showing a 15-minute shot. What are we doing? Those wicks kind of scare me off. Doesn't mean they can't go down further. New lows, boys and girls. It's gonna be another long wick. Get a bot there, but it's a little bit riskier of a trade. What am I talking about? All trades are risky. Phew. 15-minute chart is looking insane.
Order filled.
Order filled.
See if we can capture a move. I don't want it to go above this candle body, that's for sure.
Order filled.
Order filled.
50 on that trade. That 15 minutes still looking bearish.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Is that just $50? Might be turning bullish. Still got a minute and a half left on this candle though, so we'll see how it goes. If it's a big wick, it's a good sign. Big wick on the top of the candle. Blue one account. Still the rest are good. Take a little scalp here in a second. I think.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's try it. There we go.
Order
225.
filled.
Order filled.
We're at 1250 on this new account. Maybe one more trade on it. Get it up to around close to 1500 if we can. And I'm done for the day. I need to get this one a little higher and this one a little higher, so let's work on this one. 5318. All right. All right, market. What you gonna give me now? Getting a little hungry. Struggling to go up, so I think we're gonna go down more. At least to the wick body or the candle body. Could be wrong though. She's trying to go up.
Order filled.
Order
See
filled.
what we get. Thought we would retrace the candle a little bit more than we did, but no. We might still. Definitely don't want it to go below this candle wick. Actually, the body. Rip up, baby. Rip up. My sales, or my buys are always, my long trades are always no good. I'm not good at long trades. Stopped out? No. Stopped out?
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
That's okay, that's okay. Where are we at? Which count? About 318. Yes, this one. Now we gotta work on getting it back up. More work. Jeez.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Now you want to go up. Trying to go down.
Order filled.
6.5
filled.
on that one. Yes. Back to 830. I don't know what we were before. Probably like 1100, 1,000, something like that. Maybe even 800. I think I have a picture of it actually. 980 ish. I think. That 15-minute candle or chart still looks really good bearish. That's why most of my trades will be bearish. Having two screens is super nice. Put a picture. I have 3 screens actually, plus 2 back there. Take a picture and put it on the video so y'all can see what I'm working with. Not to show off, just to give an example of how I'm trading here. See my setup. Are we going down more or what? Sure looks like it. $1, 2, 3, $4,000. Just a little more, I think. 42-ish for the day. Not bad, not bad, not bad, not bad. Struggling to go any direction, and I'm scared to get any direction too. Just like the market. Trying to fake somebody out. It's easy to say, man, I should have sold when it was up here. Yeah, I should have sold when it was up here. But did I? Yeah, many times. See? Many times. Who was calling me? I forgot about you, Miss Brown. Doji candle.
Your call has been forwarded to
All right, so we had a doji candle at the bottom here, means indecision, and now we're shooting higher, which means who knows where we're going. Could be just a retrace, but I don't want to guess the market, and neither should you. Nobody needs to guess the market. I mean, you guess every time you make a trade, but the goal is to have several confluences and things that happen to make that decision for you. Let me enter this call and update this lady's credit card. This thing's moving good. I need to get this in though. Dun, 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 dun. Process. Jeez, this lady's paid me a lot of money. Yes. I think I'm gonna buy.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Good move, Jay. Put my stop at the bottom of this wick. See what we got. See what I mean? Every time I buy, it's always negative. But it could go back up. We'll see. I'm taking a little bit of a risk on this one because I feel like it's going to shoot up pretty good. And it is. I think we can get a little more out of it though. Let's take it to here. Why did he move?
Target filled.
Order filled.
We like hearing that. Target filled. Yeah. Love that. All right, now this account. Which one were we on again? 5 something. 5318. 5318. We're at 1530. I gotta lose a little money.
Order filled.
Order filled.
That's
Order
all.
filled.
Order filled.
All right, 1455. Gotta switch to a different one. 1926. Actually, let's go to 3874. The reason I'm doing this is because with Take Profit Trader, you have to pass your evaluation with less than 50% consistency. So you have to have, you can't make more than 50% of the 3,000 in one day. So that's why I'm doing that. I have to make sure that I don't break the consistency rule. And I didn't. I did, but I changed it. Open and close a trade, pay the fees. That's all you gotta do. All right, where are we going, market? Where are we going? That's good though, because I'm at $1,400 on this one. I can get these others. I need to get this one a few $100s, and we'll be good. Going back down. We're still bearish. The latest 15-minute candle was green for a little while, but we're back down. I think we're going to continue to go down. We're still below the line here, 21 EMA. I might take a sell here. I just need a quick snap. I just need a little bit of market money. That's it. Can't get it like that. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000. You don't want to buy right now because we're at the bottom of this and it's not really moving much. You don't want to catch a falling knife. We don't know the direction. We don't know. We need movement. We need clear. Why is that on the ground? We need clear movement up and down so we can figure out which direction we need to buy, sell. And my strategy is simple. I'm buying retracements, selling retracements. I am literally just doing that. I'm up $6,000 for the day. Literally 6,000. And if these were all paid Take Profit Trader accounts, I could withdraw $6,000 today to my bank account. So work hard at it. Don't just take your time. It's really worth it. It's worth it. Just take your time. Sometimes I get a little ahead of myself too. We're all human. We're guilty of it. But if you just take your time, focus, and play the strategy, nothing else. Play the strategy. Sometimes take a little bit more of a risk. If you feel like something's going to do something, go with your gut, but you don't want to do it too often. I blew up an account today, one that was 2 days away from passing on an eval. So now I'm starting from scratch on one new Take Profit Trader eval, and man, that hurts. But at least I have 4 accounts that are still in the good. Problem is though, that hurts. It hurts your ego, it hurts your gut, it hurts everything, man. Another few days of eval trading, which I don't want to be doing, but I'm going to have a few backup evals anyway, so not a big deal. But my point is, trade the way you're supposed to trade. And when you get to where you need to be, then you can take a little bit more of a risk, which I did. That's what I did. I was up for the day on that account pretty good and took a little bit of a risk, but shouldn't have done that. Should not have done that. That was a good eval account, this one here. But we live, we learn. It's all good. Yesterday I was up $7,000. Today I'm up $7,000 total. $5 if you count the blown eval, but you know, if I was trading and getting paid for these, I'd be making a significant amount of money. This one's passed. This is passed today, so I believe it's today. Let me double check. Today's my last day trading on it. What count is that? 364. Yeah, so I'm on. Let me just pull this down here. I'll blur out all my stuff that I don't need to show anyone. This account, what happened here? I don't know what happened, but this is what I'm looking at. Oh, there we go. So we're at 4 days traded. Today's the last day. Tomorrow, when I trade, I will be able to make money from it. So see, 4 days of 5, and we're past the eval. Reach your profit target of 3,000. I'm at 3,153. Your biggest day cannot be more than 50% of your total profits, which it's not. I am 1,400 for the first day I traded. It was around 1,400 the first day I traded. Let's just see. I can show you. All right, so day 1, 1,325. Day 2, 1,450. Day 3, 500. That's what got me my pass. Pretty sure, yeah. I passed it with that. And then to the next day, 26th, took a loss. I just traded, and that's all I had to do. So now I'm good. And my drawdown stays the same at 50,000. Profits go up or down depending on how you trade. But so yeah, these are the rules. You don't want to break any of these rules, and you want to make sure you trade 5 days and do not go over $1,500 on any given trade. Let's put this back up here. Like I said, just focus on what you're supposed to be doing. And I'm about to go get some food. I'm starving. My wife just asked me if I wanted to go to a restaurant that we like. I used to trade so bad. Like, I would trade so bad. And then I learned how to do this just by accident, just trading. I've heard of it before. People talk about it on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or whatever, but I didn't really try it myself, and I'm good at it. So why change why do anything different if that's what makes me all of this? There's no reason to. And there's really no reason to copy trade either, because like all these accounts are done separately. I did not copy trade a single one of these accounts. I don't really care for copy trading. I will copy trade live funded accounts, but not really, because the problem, you have slippage and you have other issues like delays, which cause, if you get in a trade and get out real fast, then you're likely down on the next trade. It might take a second for the other one to catch up to you, so it's not likely that you're gonna profit too well on. So I just trade. I wait for the market to open. I might get in a trade during the market open, and I might not. I'll wait for the scalp session. That's what I like to call it, scalp session. New term. I would like to call it the scalp session. Anyway, the goal is to stay profitable. Yeah, you might blow accounts. I've blown, I don't know how many accounts. Apex, Take Profit Trader. I can show you my Take Profit Trader and Apex. I've got a lot of blown accounts. I've blown paid accounts on Apex. I've never had a paid account on Take Profit Trader. The way I used to do these evals is I used to trade like they're nothing. No real money involved, you know, $100, $200, whatever the case may be on the price of the eval. You know, that's not a lot of money to me. I'm very successful outside of the market, so I'm willing to do that. But once I stopped doing that and started actually focusing and trading my strategy, that's when the real gains started happening. And I'd do the same thing on my personal account. I started with $20,000 on my account. I went down to 11. From 11, I went to almost nothing, and I scalped my way back. And scalping is literally the way. When I try other methods, it just doesn't work. Nothing works. Nothing works. Scalping the market works. Momentum trading works. And that's what I do. Momentum and scalping. Momentum is really only during the market open. I don't really trade momentum anywhere else. I watch the 15-minute and 2-minute and sometimes the 5-minute time frame, and that's it. Looks like I'm about to have to cut out. That sucks because I really want to get this into profit. Well, we're in profit, but I wanted to get it to around $1,400. Might take this short. Check on my fam bam. Ooh, she's going up. I might sell this to Tracy.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order filled.
225 on that one, I think. Can't really make too much money because tomorrow I can trade all these and get them to the pass, and I'm good to go. I am going to buy a new computer. I'm gonna set up my background.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Just need a little bit of money, not a lot. Take my stop to right there. Yeah,
Stop filled.
Stop filled.
I think I lost a lot on that trade. Too late to sell now. It's almost time to buy. I think I'm gonna go long if it goes retraces a little bit.
Order filled.
So let's go.
Order filled.
She's wanting to go up.
Order filled.
Order filled.
750. All right. So, turn the camera back on. All right, so I'm closing the day so far. I might come back and trade after I eat some lunch with my family. I am so far, let's just tally it up real quick. I got my calculator here. 920 that we just got back. 1250. 1175, 1455, and then a measly $6.56. $4,800 on the day. I was up another 500. I don't know. I was up quite a bit. But anyway, I'm satisfied with that. Until next time, guys, we'll see you on the next video. Peace. Keep trading.